How to get Doordash gift card. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's jump right into the video. First of all, open any of your web browser and then search for amazon.com right here. Okay, then tap on the first link that is on top. Okay, here we go. Now this is the official website of Amazon. Now go to the search bar and search for Doordash gift card. Okay, here we go. Now you can see various options available here like Doordash e-gift card, Doordash gift card. So for now, let's go for Doordash gift card right here. Now you'll come to this page. Now if you tap on denomination option right here, just tap on it, and over here you'll see two options. The card is also available for $25 and $50 as well. So I've tapped on $25. Now if you scroll down below, you can also select the quantity for the card that you want to buy. Okay, it's according to your choice how much quantity you want to order. And if you scroll down below again, you can see send as a gift, include custom message. So you can also make your own custom message for the person you are sending this gift card to. Now after doing all these steps, you can just tap on buy now and make your payment. So that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful. And at last, don't forget to like and subscribe.